Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these animal fusion videos that have been going viral on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Here are some examples. As you can see, these channels are getting a lot of views and subscribers. However, to get monetized, you need to avoid one big mistake, which I will explain in this video. So please watch until the end to make sure you don't miss this important information. Let's dive right in. The first step is to create the text-to-image prompt we'll use to generate our images. To generate the prompt, go to ChatGPT and copy and paste the first prompt I've prepared for you in the description below. Then click here. Simply follow the instructions. You'll be asked to provide the first character and then the second character. Once you're done, ChatGPT will generate the prompt you need to create the first image. It will then ask if you'd like to generate the second prompt. Simply say yes and click here. ChatGPT will then generate the second prompt needed to create the hybrid creature image. To generate the images for free, you can use Leonardo AI, PicLumen, or any other text-to-image tool you prefer. Go to Leonardo AI, copy and paste the first prompt provided by ChatGPT into the text input bar, and click here to generate. Then, return to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, and repeat the process. If you don't like the image, simply generate it again. Select the image you like and click here to download it. To animate the images, we'll use Kling AI. Click the link in the description below and it will take you to this page. Click on AI video and select the image to video feature. Upload the image of the two creatures facing each other here. When done, upload the image of the hybrid creature here. Next, copy the second prompt I've prepared for you in the description below, scroll down and paste it here. Add the names of your creatures in the prompt. If you want to add a negative prompt, scroll down more and write your negative prompt here. Once you're done, click here to generate. Normally, it takes few minutes to generate the video. Here is the result. To download, click here. To edit the video, I will use CapCut, but you can use any other tool you like. First, import the video of your hybrid creature and add it to the timeline. If you have many videos, add them all to the timeline. Select them like this and click here to increase the speed. Select the first video, go to animation and click on the animation you want to apply to your video. The Pro sign means that you need a premium account to use those animations. So please select the animations that doesn't have the Pro sign on it. Then go to transition and add the transition you like between two clips like this. Click here to adjust the duration of the transition as desired, and then click here to apply the transition to all the clips. To make your video more engaging, you should add the music, but be careful. You have to add a copyright-free music, otherwise your channel will not be monetized. To get a copyright-free music, you can generate one with tools like Suno AI if you have the subscription, or go to Pixabay and search for the copyright-free music. Once you find one that you like, download it on your computer and upload it in CapCut. Add the music to the timeline like this. Click here to adjust the volume like this. Reduce the length of the music to match the duration of your clips by clicking here and cutting the video like this. Once you're done, click here to preview the video. When satisfied, click here to export the video, rename it, and then click here to select the destination file. Make sure this video box is selected and click here to export. Here is the result. That's it guys, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.